In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular and secure mobile cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to send, receive, and store multiple cryptocurrencies. If you ever need to sign out of your account, whether for troubleshooting, device change, or simply for peace of mind, this guide will help you do just that. Let's make sure you can do this smoothly and safely. First, take your device and open the Trust Wallet application. Once inside, you'll notice the various features Trust Wallet offers, such as the options to send, swap, fund, and sell, along with the list of tokens you have. Now, direct your attention towards the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll find the Settings option. Tap on it to proceed. In the Settings menu, you'll want to tap on Manage Wallets. This is where all your linked accounts are listed. Before we sign out of any account, it's crucial to ensure you have your recovery phrase saved. This phrase is essential for accessing your account again in the future. To do this, select the account you wish to sign out of. Now, to back up your recovery phrase, first click on Secret Phrase. At this point, you'll need to enter your password for security purposes. Once done, click Verify, and your recovery phrase will appear. Carefully copy the recovery phrase and keep it in a secure file on your device or write it down and store it somewhere safe. Remember, anyone with access to this phrase has full access to your funds, so keep it private. With the recovery phrase safely backed up, return to the Manage Wallets section within Settings, ready to remove your account. By selecting the account again, you should see a Remove Wallet option. Tap it, and you'll be prompted again to back up your secret phrase. Since we've already taken care of that, you can confidently select Proceed Anyway. With this action, your wallet will disappear from the Trust Wallet's main interface. Should you decide to sign back into your account, you can easily do so by clicking Add New Wallet. You'll find two options here. Select I already have a wallet. This prompts you to enter your recovery phrase, which we've previously saved. You'll be guided to click on Trust Wallet Mobile, where you'll input the recovery phrase. Once entered, click on Import, and voila! You're back into your account with all your assets safe and sound. And there you have it, a seamless way to sign out and back into Trust Wallet whenever necessary. Always ensure that your recovery phrase is handled with utmost care and confidentiality. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials to secure and manage your digital assets effectively.